Hello friends, welcome back to Home Cents with Nell. Today I want to show you how I did a DIY, quick and easy, budget-friendly patio refresh for my front porch. But before I do, if you like home decor, DIYs, product hauls, and product reviews, or basically everything related to making your home your sanctuary, please subscribe and comment. I'd love to hear from you. Now my patio furniture had seen better days. I bought it probably about 5 years ago from Lowe's, and it was getting a little rusty. So we took a vote around the house and everybody decided they wanted to change it to the color blue. So I found a really nice blue made by Krylon called Patriotic Blue. I bought it in a gloss for about $7 a can, and I used 2 cans on this project. So this is after I finished painting. This was actually quite a few months ago, but I did want to show you how my patio looks on a day-to-day basis. We use it for storage, we use it for gardening supplies. Occasionally we do sit out here and enjoy the breeze, but I wanted to make it a little bit more comfortable for the summer. So first I decided to try to revive this bonsai tree. My husband actually bought it for me on a road trip. You know how they have those highway stands and sometimes they have fresh fruits and vegetables? Well, this one just happened to have bonsais. And my husband actually bought me a bonsai long before we were married in our first apartment. And I really liked it, but I had to give it away when we moved. So I thought it was really sweet that he bought me this second one, but it's not doing too well, as you can see. So right here I'm just watering it and giving it a little bit of fertilizer. I also decided to repot this ivy that I purchased into this terracotta pot. So here comes the hard part, the cleanup. I'm trying to get all of these potting soils and fertilizer bags and tools and everything off my front porch to try to make it a more comfortable and inviting space for the summertime. We really like hanging out on our front porch on the warm summer nights. I don't know about you guys, but here we seem to have a terrible spider problem. So a lot of my cleaning is just me taking a broom and trying to brush down the spider webs, whether it's from the furniture or from the corners of the patio. I do apologize for the poor lighting. The lighting does get better a little bit later on in the video. There's somebody that doesn't want to be filmed. Okay, guys, so again, here I am trying to remove or replace the furniture that I had cleaned off to get rid of the spiderwebs and the dust. Now, I found these beautiful cushions for about $19 each at Home Depot, but right now they're on sale for $12, guys. So if you need some, run out and get some. And I couldn't make up my mind about which pattern I liked better, but after putting them down in the chairs and living with them for a few days, we actually decided that we like both. So we decided to keep them even though they don't match. Now, I previously had these little accent pillows. I can't remember where I got them, maybe Walmart, but because they're beach themed, I thought they went really well with the tropical kind of beachy seat cushions I had, so I decided to put those back on. I didn't have to buy anything else. Now, these are some pillows that my daughter tried to refurbish for me. We actually tried painting them. We only had enough paint to paint one side, so that lasted maybe a year or two. It's not the most comfortable idea, but it worked for a while. So guys, here's what my patio looked when it's almost done. Just cleaning a little bit of dirt off the floor. Now, I was lucky enough to find these solar LED lights at Rite Aid. You know how Rite Aid has that one aisle that's just seasonal decor? A lot of times they have Christmas stuff. Well, in the summer they have gardening stuff. So I found these LED lights. They're in warm white, and they were originally about $20 per light string, but they had been reduced to $10. And I had a coupon which was, I believe, $10 savings off any $20 purchase. So basically I got 2 boxes of lights for just $10, and these things are awesome. Every night at dusk, they turn themselves on, and in the morning they turn themselves off, and they're just beautiful. So this is what we see now when we come out on the patio in the afternoon or the evening. We really enjoy it.